வெல்கம் டு வென்சி மேக்ஸ் அண்ட் லைஃப் யூடியூப் சேனல்.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் உங்கள் வர்கீஸ். Today we are going to address the problem faced by every student or human being in his life. That is how to improve your math skills. The first point is focus on understanding concepts instead of memorizing the formulas. Initially you can memorize the formula, but in the long run you have to understand the concept behind the formula. Let me explain this with the help of one example. Please consider this square whose side is a plus b units. We know that all the four sides are equal in a square. Here the side is a plus b. That means from this point to this point the length is a, and from this point to this point the length is b. If this length is a, then this length also a, this length also a. If this length is b, this length also b, this length also b. Now I would like to find the area of this square. We know that area of the square is side multiplied by its side. So a plus b into a plus b equal to a plus b the whole square. Now I divided the area of this square into four parts. First part with the square whose side is a, and plus another square whose side is b, and another rectangle whose length is a and breadth is b, and here the fourth rectangle whose length is a and breadth is b. The area of this square is a square. We know because the side is a, so a into a square. Area of this square is b square because the side is b, so area of this square is b square. The area of this rectangle is a into b because the length is a, breadth is b, so area of this rectangle is ab, and the area of the rectangle is also ab. So in order to find the area of the square whose side is a plus b, we have to sum the area of these four portions, that is a square plus b square plus ab plus ab. So a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is the formula we derived from this concept, that is a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We come across this formula during our school period, but we did not understand the concept behind this formula. So when you understand the concept behind this formula, you will not forget this formula. Secondly, practice the problems repeatedly. Thirdly, you have to solve extra problems. How do you solve the problem? You have to answer two questions for solving any problem. The first one is what is given in the problem. The second one is what is to be found. ப்ராப்ளத்தில் என்ன கொடுக்கப்பட்டுள்ளது, இதை நாம் புரிந்து கொள்ள வேண்டும். அதன் பிறகு என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டும், கொடுத்ததிலிருந்து என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டும். இந்த இரண்டையும் நாம் புரிந்து கொண்டால் எந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தையும் நாம் ஈஸியாக சால்வ் பண்ணலாம். We can solve any problem even in our life. Fourthly, connect maths to your real life. Let me explain this one with the help of one example. Every day I start from my home at 8:53 a.m. and reach my school at 9 a.m. The distance between my school and my home is 200 meters. So one day I start late by 2 minutes, that is 8:55 a.m. I start from my school. Now I have to calculate how I can reach the school at 9 a.m. So for reaching your school at 9 a.m. you have to increase your speed. So how fast I can walk? So if you divide the distance 200 meter by 5 minutes, within 5 minutes I have to reach, so it will give 40 meter per minute. So I have to increase my pace by 40 meter per minute. So this is the way. So 8:55 you start, so this is time. How much distance you travel? 200 meter. And how much is in how much speed? So 40 meter per minute. So here we relate time, distance, speed in our everyday life. One more example I will give you. When the great mathematician Ramanujan was admitted in the hospital when he was in UK, that time his friend went to meet him. When he met Ramanujan, he was not in a good mood. Then Ramanujan asked him, why you are in a anxiety? He told that I came by a taxi. This taxi plate number is 1729. I think this number seems to be dull and it gives me bad omen. Then Mr. Ramanujan, he immediately replied that this number is a very interesting number. This number is the smallest number which can be expressed by sum of two cubes in two different ways. That is 9 cube plus 10 cube equal to 12 cube plus 1 cube, that is equal to 1729. That's the way he relates this number into his life. So if you follow these 4 or 5 steps in our life, we can improve our math skills. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe it and waiting for the next